So Manoj, I have this little confusion. I've come across this that there is influence of thoughts of the person on cooking food by BK Shivani. Also, since I saw her video today, it reminded me, and also the thing in Ayurveda that says that you must consume your food within 1 to 4 hours of cooking. So for me, I think I will save a lot of time if I don't cook 3 times a day, if I delegate this to somebody else. So now the confusion is, do I save time by delegating to somebody else, or do I cook it myself because I'm only in control of my thoughts? I can't control somebody else's. So what to do?
Yeah, it's a beautiful question. Okay, beautiful question. Hmm?
Yeah.
Ki, uh, on food, on the subject of food, there are about 5 billion books, 5 million books written down.
Mm,
And and if you read all the books, one book will say milk is the biggest poison, and the other book will say without milk how can you live. The Ayurveda supports full milk. Naturopathy may have the other opinion. Then like this, you know, 5 million theories are there. We do clear this theory very much in Mind Your Health and Weight. But since you asked the question, it is definitely the person who is cooking the food, his or her love matters a lot. How they cook the food, what love they cook the food, with what bhava they cook the food, has all the ingredients and person can have it. Okay, and have like that. On the other side, let's say a Rakshasa cooks the food, okay, and with the most amount of hatred. I want this person to eat this food and die. I'll put all my poison like this. And the person gets the food, okay, and if his purity is there, if her purity is there, if her intentions is pure, and you can make the most terrible hatred wala food into the most purest food in the world by your intention. Your intention is far ahead than the person who makes the food. With what bhava you eat. Of course, if you have that bhava and the bhava is made also like that, sone ko upar sohagan, it's like Lekin finally, the buck stops at me and the buck stops at you with what bhava you are giving your child. You know, abroad, I know outside India, we don't have that facilities. I know people who cook and keep for 7 days the meal. Monday pack, Tuesday
yeah.
pack, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So I've been to houses where it's written like Monday M, Tuesday Tew, like this. ये 7 दिन का संडे को हम खाना बनाते हैं, पूरे हफ्ते का खाना बनाते हैं. If you go to Ayurveda, it goes absolutely against. If you go to any of the naturopathy, it goes absolutely against. And in fact, Nina, my wife, also tells me that if you have vegetable juice, have it immediately. I say I cannot have it immediately. If I have it immediately, lot of gas, lot of trouble. I take half an hour, 40 minutes. See, my juice is yet there. It's been about 20 minutes. Okay,
Wow.
and I just have like this. But I enjoy that sip. I take it like a prasad, and it has an effect like a prasad in mine. So a Shankara could have hashish and nothing happened to his body. You and me try, we are gone. The body is go. With
Yes.
what bhava, with what intention you have is with what bhava you make. And if the first thing you need to see is, are you relaxed? Relaxation, calmness, happiness, togetherness, lovingness, compassion, that is the highest value. With that you make and tell the God that this is all I can do because I'm alone in the house. I got my little baby. I got to take care of this. So I can only devote so much time and go and enjoy yourself, having the food you want, the way you want. Now, the bhava is important. No doubt what the others say and the books say, they all have a truth. Huh? It's not that they're not truth. They have, but it is a relative truth, not the full truth. It's one part of the truth. So if you add that also, it's beautiful. It's beautiful, you know. So
Okay.
organic food, beautiful, but you don't have organic, then what? Then you have with that, then you have your organic here, convert it here.